back, everybody. So today we are reviewing solar flower lights. I can't wait to set these up. I think my wife is gonna think they are beautiful. So let's go ahead and show you what you get. So we go ahead and pull them out. They come with a manual. They come with the stakes to put in the ground. So the stake part here is plastic, but this is metal. So that goes right inside the stake. You stake that down into the ground. You would then place this up like that. So this is solar charged. So you would want the solar facing up. Peel off the plastic from the solar panel. And on the back you have on and off button that you slide it. Okay, so I see it's lit up. It's just you can't see it. Now for the flowers, you can go and bend them however you want. So you would pull them out here and bend them open. So just like this, to make it look more realistic. So they are actually pretty cool. They actually even have thorns on them. So fake thorns to make it look even more real. That is really cool. So guys, as you can see, these flowers, they are nice and beautiful. They show up really well. And they change colors, which is really cool. I was gonna put them outside, but there's frost, so the ground's too hard right now. But definitely gonna look beautiful.